I met Adelina actually at a really good time at a networking event because I was looking to launch my business, and I was in the midst of working on a pitch deck which was sort of finalized, but I just wanted the copy written in a way that was quite compelling, and I feel that it wasn't currently doing that. So I picked her for the project, gave her a brief of what I wanted it to say, and we kind of just went from there. I found Adelina's process and ways of working really easy to follow, easy to understand, really clear deadlines for everyone involved, which was great. And the end product was I was really blown away actually. She basically just took in everything that I had briefed out to her and all of my feedback and implemented it, and it came back in a way that was much more compelling than what I went with going into the process. So really happy with the results and how it read. It just flowed super, super nicely. If I had to describe Adelina in 3 words, I would choose the words methodical, thorough, and innovative, and I would highly recommend her to anyone looking for a copywriter.
Hi, I'm Georgie, the co-founder of Mums Who Build, the community enabling mums to build the life and future they want in motherhood. I wanted to jump on here just to say how fantastic it's been working with Adelina. I met her at a Women in Business networking event, and it was clear just from being a couple of seconds in her presence how knowledgeable and enthusiastic she is about marketing and copy and helping small businesses like mine. So it's been brilliant working with her on our projects. She's first of all helped us with a marketing audit of the website. So looking at the messaging and the functionality of our website. And just having that outsider perspective looking in has been invaluable. When you work so closely to something every day, you don't always see the little things that other people notice. So it's been really helpful having that perspective. And the tips and advice she's given us to how to improve the user experience, how to generate more leads has been brilliant. And then we've also worked on our marketing strategy for Mob School. Mob School is our new financial security course that we will be launching next year. So Adelina has worked on a launch strategy for us for that. And that's something we're actually in the process of doing now. So yeah, it's been super helpful, really great tips, really great advice. And it's been, invaluable to us really. So I just wanted to say thank you so much, Adelina. You've been absolutely amazing. And if anyone else is looking for marketing and copy support, please give Adelina a call. She's got so much knowledge, is super passionate, really kind and approachable, and goes above and beyond. Give her a call and see how she can help you. Thank you.